Most foreign workers who come to Korea end up facing the same choice: factory work or construction. Both paths can make money, but how you work and how you live turn out completely different. This isn't just about picking a job. It's a decision that shapes your daily life and how your body is used. The problem is, there's no time to overthink. Wait too long, and the opportunity can disappear. So most people don't prepare first. They decide first. Because in this situation, you simply have to choose. Many workers start with factory jobs. They're easier to enter, especially with a referral.
In most cases, the job is stable. Once you're in, you can keep working without much interruption.
Housing is often provided. It lowers your expenses, but also limits your space. Work and life start to blur together. You spend most of your time with the same people. You see the same faces all day, sometimes more than your own family, whether you want to or not. The work itself is repetitive. The same motion again and again, at a steady pace. At first, your body struggles. Then it adjusts faster than you expect. After a while, the days stop feeling different. They just repeat. The machines don't slow down. And over time, your thoughts don't either. They just fade into the rhythm. Time moves quickly, but when you look back, not much stands out. Relationships are small, but intense. If things go well, people become your support. If they don't, there's no easy way out. You'll see the same people again tomorrow. Overtime is common, and it's a key part of increasing your income. Your pay is predictable. That makes planning your life easier. But your free time shrinks. You earn more and live less. Your routine becomes simple. Work, eat, rest, repeat. At some point, many people think about leaving, trying something different. But the longer you stay, the harder it gets to walk away. Not because you can't, but because it feels safer to stay. Most people say it's temporary, but that temporary often turns into years. In the end, factory work offers stability, but it also traps you in repetition. Construction starts differently. Your day begins only if there's work. Workers gather early in the morning and wait. If there's a job, the day begins. If not, they go home. Income isn't consistent. Some days you work, some days you don't. But the daily pay is higher. It's a faster way to earn money. Days without work give you unexpected free time, but it rarely feels like a break. Here, the rule is simple. You work, you earn. You don't, everything stops. There's no buffer. No work means no income. The work is physical. You lift, carry, and keep moving all day. Your energy drains quickly. By the end of the day, rest isn't optional. You have to keep up with the pace. If you fall behind, it shows immediately. Weather matters more than you expect. Heat, cold, rain, it all affects the job. You start checking the weather like it's part of the job, sometimes more than once a day, sometimes more than once a day. Relationships are short-term. People change as the sites change. That can reduce long-term stress, but it also makes deep connections rare. There are real safety risks. Even small mistakes can lead to serious accidents. You have to stay alert. Focus becomes part of survival. As you gain experience, more options open up. Skill turns into opportunity. Income can grow fast, especially if you're working toward a short-term goal. But physical strain builds just as fast. It's not easy to keep going long-term. At some point, it stops being a choice. You stop because you have to. In Korea, work often splits into two paths: long-term stability or short-term earnings. Factory jobs focus on consistency. Construction focuses on speed. In the end, people don't just choose jobs. They choose how they survive. If your goal is long-term stability, choose factory work. If you want to earn fast and move on, choose construction. Both paths are difficult, but once your direction is clear, the choice becomes easier.